In today's video, we're going to be transforming points on a grid. So pretty much we're going to be given a point on a diagram and we have to transform it. Now there's two ways you could do this. One way is by um, doing it on the grid, okay? Or if you're better at writing out the point than transforming it, that's another way you could do it as well. So we're going to do both ways. So this first one is, it looks like it's a translation. So I'm translating this up 4. Now I prefer doing it on the grid. So if I translate it up 4, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the point 1, -3. So I take 1, -7, 1, -7, and then I go up 4 on the y-axis, right? And it ends up being 1, -3. Okay, that's another way you could do it just by handwriting it. Okay, so I'm going to clear that screen, back to my mouse, 1, -3. And it should give you a little demonstration. Let's see. It does. Bam. All right, let's look at a reflection. Okay, again, when I reflect it over the x-axis, be careful, x-axis. So my point here, C, is 3, 5. Okay, if I'm translating it over the x-axis, it's changing the y value to 3, -5. Or you could just go up 5 and then down 5 right here. So it'd be up here. So this down here would be 3, -5. 3, -5. Bam. Okay. Let's do one of the y-axis. Okay, this one right here. 2, 2. 2, 2. When I transform it over the y-axis, it becomes a -2, 2. So -2, 2. So it changes the x. And it depends all on your preference. If you like doing it on the grid, great. If you want to write out the points, even for rotations, I have to write them out depending on the rotation type. 180 degrees and maybe not so, but definitely with 90. All right, so this one is 4, -6. All right, so when I have 4, -6 and I rotate it 180 degrees, it becomes -4, +6 because you just basically just change the signs of the x and the y. So then it becomes -4, +6. Boom. And look at that, rotated. And I'm going to clear my screen so it gets that ink out of the way. All right. The dreaded 90 degree. Let's try it. See if there's one. No, I want 90. Do you have any 90? You might be in luck, guys. You might not get 90. Oh, they're so nice on Delta Math. I might give it just an example of what you would do with 90 regardless. Okay, let's say this one. All right, right here, -9, 4. -9, 4. They are awfully nice on there because I would give you guys one with a 90. So what you have to do, -9, 4, that's this point right here. If I rotated 90 degrees clockwise, it would go over here you have to swap them. And since it's in the first quadrant, 4, 9, since it's in first quadrant, it stays positive. If that is 90 degrees clockwise. Now, if I said 90 degrees counterclockwise, 90 degrees counterclockwise, that means instead of, you still swap them, so it would be 4, 9 would be the numbers, but it would go in this quadrant right here, so it end up actually -4, 9 down here, so it would be -4, -9. So you got to be careful whether you're going clockwise or counterclockwise. Clockwise would be going in this direction, okay? Counterclockwise, this one, it would be going down here. All right, so they're awfully nice and they don't ask you to do that, but I just had to throw that in there. And then a dilation. Okay, this one's pretty simple. Again, if I'm dilating, just multiply by the scale factor. Okay, -6, 4. When I multiply that by the scale factor, -6/4, multiply that by 1/2, it's -3, +2, because basically you're just multiplying each of these numbers by the scale factor. Okay. And it doesn't matter if it's a fraction, if it's a whole number, whatever, you just do that. Okay, so that's just transforming one point. We'll be getting into also doing a composition of transformations when we do these in another video. Okay, but that's it for today's video. And just always remember, whether you're solving for X or Y, always give math a try.